Hello friends, you are all welcome to this cultural day. My brothers and I are here to talk about the use of kola nuts in Nigeria. The Hausas call it goro. We eat a lot of kola nuts in the northern part of Nigeria. It's also used in our festivals. And we sell it to earn a living. And I heard that kola nut is also used for making drugs. Let me hand this over to my Yoruba brother.
Thank you, my brother. Kola nut is a very important fruit in Nigeria. It's found and produced in Yoruba land. We call it obi. Although we do not eat a lot of it like the Hausas, we use it in our festivals and sell it to earn a living. Now let me hand it to my Igbo brother to bless it.
Dubai, Queen, Nigeria, Kwezwenu, Nigeria, Kwezwenu. In Igbo land, we call kola nut oji. As you have heard, the Yorubas farm it, Hausas eat it, but the Igbo honor it. The kola nut does not understand any other language except Igbo. I'm going to bless it in Igbo language. Just respond, say, Onye wetara ọjị weta ndụ. Onye wetara ọjị weta ndo. Nova Queen, Nigeria Kwezwenu.